좋습니다.
Jawel, karakter van tevoren al. Scary.
펴시고.
Uah. Uah.
Oh, I like it.
Every time when he takes off his hand, it immediately feels better.
Oh, gentlemen.
Yes. I got him thing. Tell me, what is this? What kind of place is this?
This is called Hanwon. That's a Korean traditional medicine hospital.
Hospital.
Oh, it is. It doesn't look
Doesn't
like
look
a
like a
hospital.
hospital,
No,
yeah.
the hospital is a traditional medicine. This is for like traditional medicine, like a tea. You can drink it like that.
Okay. With herbs.
The reason why I want to bring you guys here is, you remember when I was 16 and because of the chemo I felt really sick, I had to vomit a lot. My dad's friend knew an old traditional medicine like acupuncture. So
Oh, okay.
she put a small sticker, it was like an acupuncture sticker here, and after that I still had 1.5 years left of chemotherapy, but I didn't even vomit once after that. From that moment I was like, wow, this really works. After that, because of the leukemia, I was so interested in, and then the doctor there also knew Korean medicine. I was like, wow, I think I should study that. So I was like, okay, let's go to Korea and study Korean medicine here. That's how I came here.
Oh, wow.
I remember that you came here for that, but your whole world.
Yeah. So this is what I want to show you guys. This is what brought me to Korea. So I think this is an important thing for me. So it's good to see how this works for you guys as well.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Me too.
안녕하세요. 혹시 예전에 진단받으신 질환명 같은 게 있으신가요?
Yeah, for many years ago.
등을 살짝 펴보시고요.
네.
젖혀서 천장 보시고요.
네.
안 넘어가시네요. 왼쪽으로 돌려보세요.
Okay.
자, 왼쪽으로 돌릴 때와 오른쪽으로 돌릴 때가 어느 쪽이 편하세요?
Right, but ik heb ooit een scheurtje hier in de nekwervel gehad.
관절 자체에 문제는 없으실 거고요. 근육 쪽에 문제가 있으셔서 그럴 가능성이 높으신데요. 여기 누르면 앞쪽. 여기가 많이 굳어지게 되면 고개를 이렇게 뒤로 젖힐 때 여기에 대한 불편감 때문에 완전히 젖혀지지가 않거든요. 그거를 치료하기 위해서 침치료나 물리치료 같은 기본적인 치료 이외에 순환치료라 그래서 우리 몸에 틀어진 뼈나 근육을 교정하는 치료가 있거든요. 그걸 같이 병행해서 진행하시면 어느 정도 좀 편안함을 느끼실 수 있으실 것 같아요.
저희 집에 자는데 침대 불편했나 봐요. 그래서 여기 밑에 좀 불편한 부분이 있대요.
눌러서 잡으세요.
Niet heel erg. We hebben gewoon met de bordjes hier omheen.
이 허리랑 골반이 연결되는 부위가 좀 긴장이 돼서 그런 거 말고는 특별하게 뭐 엄청나게 큰 문제가 있으신 건 아니고 치료하시고 적절한 스트레칭 하시면 제가 볼 때는 괜찮으실 것 같아요. 자, 어깨가 이렇게 안으로 말려있는 상태세요. 기본적으로 누워 계실 때 이게 이렇게 되시는 게 정상이세요. 심호흡 한번 하시고 좀 많이 아프실 수 있어요. 자, 경추라 그래서 목에 있는 척추를 교정하는 치료를 진행할 거예요.
네.
펴시고.
Uah.
좋습니다. 네, 펴시고. 교정이 되면서 나는 소리니까 걱정하지 마시고. 좋습니다.
Oh, I like it.
Scary.
아프진 않으시죠?
No, not at all, but the sound is...
고개를 숙여보세요.
오케이.
이렇게 되는 게 정상이시거든요. 근데 이거를 이제 방해하는 근육들을 치료를 진행할 거예요. 많이 아프시진 않으세요?
I can handle it.
자, 약간 어지럽거나 기침 나실 수 있어요.
Oh.
힘들진 않으시죠?
Yeah. Oh, this is good. This is very good.
반대
You feel
할게요.
every time when he takes off his
And?
hand, it immediately feels better.
생각하시고 이렇게 또 정상적이라 그러면 귀가 어깨에 닿으셔야 되거든요. 해줄게요. 여기는 더 안 되시죠, 그렇죠? 다시 한번 고개를 왼쪽으로 끝까지 돌려보세요. 아까보다 좀 더 돌아가는 게 느껴지시죠? 반대쪽 보시고.
It goes better than before, right?
Yeah.
자, 편안하게 뒤로 누우세요.
Oh, dan gaat hij lekker.
누우세요. 좋습니다. 좋습니다.
Jawel, karakter van tevoren al.
네. 아까보다 좀 편한 느낌 드세요?
Yeah, I think I can go wider than before.
네, 오늘 치료 힘들지 않으셨어요? 네,
네.
침 치료 진행할 거고요. 천장 보고 누우시면 되겠습니다. 그다음에 손 쪽에 침을 맞을 거예요. 침이 약간 들어갈 때는 약간 뻐근한 느낌이 있으실 거예요. 이 정도 느낌은 어떠세요?
Als ik stroom heb, man.
주사 맞는 느낌이랑 좀 다르시죠?
Ja, this feels good.
Don't worry.
Okay.
좀 이유 없이 가슴이 두근거리거나 불안한 건 없으세요?
Yes, in Holland I have it.
네덜란드 is ook.
그래서 얼굴이 좀 붉어지거나 이러실 수 있으세요? 그러니까
네네네 맞아요. 그거 자주 그래요. 하루에 몇 번이요.
네, 긴장을 많이 하시거나 이런 게 같이 병이 되시면 피부 자꾸 건조해지고
Oh,
그러죠.
het is warm, ja.
Ja.
됐습니다. 침치료 이렇게 마치도록 하겠습니다.
You guys have to stay here for like 15 minutes.
I go to sleep for 15 minutes.
Smile.
Smile, yeah.
You guys came all the way from the Netherlands to Korea and you had your first Korean traditional medical treatment. How was it?
Strange, and actually it feels good. And but when he was breaking my neck, the sound in my head was it shook me. I thought, oh, am I still there?
Was it the first time you got like the...
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
First time.
Interesting. I love that feeling so much.
Yes.
I do that a few times a year.
Yeah, in my lower back I do it myself. In my neck I never did it.
Really refreshing, right?
Later, yes.
Now I tried it myself. I kind of understand why you wanted to learn this.
Yeah, experience it now by myself, and now I know why you wanted to study this. I really know.
Yeah, it's real.
Yeah.
Good.
And I was surprised that when they put the needles in the skin, that it wasn't painful. So I kind of felt relaxing. I almost fell asleep.
Wow, that's good because you were a little bit worried before for the needles, right?
Yes, a little bit.
I'm glad it was fine.
Yeah, I'm
It's
glad.
really tiny needles, so.
Yeah, when I look at Henk, I saw the long needles. I thought, oh, do I have them also? But it was a nice experience. Yes.
So now you guys have this good Korean traditional treatment. I hope you guys stay healthy forever and
Yeah.
have a healthy last few days with me here in Korea.
Box to it. Box to it.
I hope it too, and we really love the traditional treatment.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do it one more time before we leave.
Yes.
Or we have to come back every month.
Yeah. The doctor said, "See you soon."